So good afternoon. We are going to cover basics of binary search tree. Okay. So already we have learned binary tree. Now this binary search tree contains the word search. Okay. So how it is different than a normal tree? So this is the example of binary search tree. Just observe this tree and can you derive some conclusion? What is the feature of this tree? Anyone can tell me. Can you compare the relationship of left child with the parent node, right child with the parent node? Can you compare its value? Do you find some relationship? Yes or no? कोण सांगतं? Anyone can conclude the relationship of the left child with the parent, right child with the parent. The same phenomena is here for every node in the tree. कोण सांगतं? कोणी सांगू शकत नाही? Yes, anyone can tell me? Hemant, can you find the relationship? You have to find the relationship between the value of the child node, left child with the parent node and right child with the parent node. For every node that is a feature, that property is applicable. You can type in chat box if you have some phobia of discussion then. I'm doubtful, are you attentive in the class or not now? Nobody is answering the questions. Okay. Sunkar what Abhishek? Left child has value less than the parent. Good. Correct. Thank you, Abhishek. If you observe the phenomena, now see here, left child of 30 is 15, right child of 30 is 16. The value of left child is greater than the parent node. Value of right child is greater than the parent node. Now here, left child of 15 is 7, right child is 22. Left child of 15 is less than the 7, right child of 15 is greater than 22. Again here 22, left child of 22 is 17, less than 22, right child 22 is 27, greater than the parent node. So from that now you understood binary search tree as a phenomena that value of left child of node is always less than the parent node. Value of right child of node is always greater than the parent node. And this property is true for every node in the tree. Understood? Yes or no? Let me know yes or no. Say yes if you understood. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us see what is binary search tree. Can be defined as a class of binary trees. Again, it is binary tree, not ternary tree. Means it must have not. It may have a maximum 2 child. Binary tree in which the nodes are arranged in a specific order. Order binary tree. In a binary search tree, the value of all the nodes in the left subtree is less than the value of root node. The value of the nodes on the right subtree is greater than equal to the right value of the root node. And this rule will be recursively applied to all the left and right subtree of the root. Clear? Now, what I do now, take this example. Okay. Now what I do, I draw one imaginary line below this children, below this tree. Okay. First step. Second step, what you have to do, drop all the node on this line sequentially. And anyone can do it? Drop all the node from left to right. What do I get? If I drop all the node, tell me. Hi, Batal. First node to be which I get is 7. Next, 15. Next, 17. Correct? Next,
22.
22. Next, 27. Next, which one? 30.
30.
Next,
45.
and can you tell me what do I get here? काय भेटलं सांगा आता? I got all the numbers. What is the beauty of this number? Tell me.
Sorted numbers are
I get all the numbers sorted, na? Yes?
Yes, sir.
And this is nothing but in order travels. Remember now. If you want to learn pre-order, in-order, post-order, then you please refer my video. Which video? Recursion video. Push it onto the stack and you will get the output. Clear? Eh? So if you want to print in-order traversal, just what you have to do, take any tree in the world, drop the node from left to right, follow the sequence, then you get the in-order traversal. Understood or not? Yes or no? Clear? Eh?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I say I can sort a tree using binary search tree? What you have to do? You have to create a tree. You have to create a binary search tree and take it in order traversal. Then what do you get? You get all numbers sorted. So can I say it's a binary search, it's sorting algorithm? Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. Chala पुढे जाऊ आपण आता. Now advantage of using binary search tree. Searching becomes very efficient. Now can you tell me, can you do the search operation? Suppose I want to search 27. How can I search? Compare 27 with 30. What we are going to learn now? We are going to learn the search operation binary search tree. काय शिकणार आहोत आता? We are going to learn search operation. BST. What you have to do? Step first, compare atom to be searched with root node. Correct? So you have to compare atom with the root node. Now there are two possibilities that atom to be searched is either less than the root node or greater than the root node. If less, tell me what should I do? Where should I search?
The first half.
Huh? बरोबर है? If less, go to the left and repeat step 1. जर मोठा असेल तर काय करा सांगा? If number is greater than root, what should I do? Go to right. Repeat step 1. Step 3. This is the algorithm for BEST. Now let us search node 27. Compare the root node. It's less than 30 or greater than 30. Tell me. 27 less than 30 or greater than 30?
Less.
So where should I go? Go to left. Go to left. Again and repeat step 1. Again. Compare 30 with 15. Sorry, 27 with 15. Less or greater?
Greater.
Okay. Now compare 27 with 22. Less or greater?
Greater.
Greater.
Now atom is equal to 27. 27 equal to 27. Yes or no?
Yes.
Atom found. It was search operation BST. Clear है? Yes or no? समझ ले? So in this way you are searching a node in the BST. ठीक है? So searching become very efficient. So what is the number of comparison in BST? Tell me. किती होतात? If you observe here, number of nodes are 1, 2, 4. Maximum nodes are 8. What is the relationship? Anyone can tell me? What is the relationship? In the first level, we have only one node. In the second level, we have how many nodes? 2 nodes. In the third level, maximum number of nodes are 4. In fourth level, maximum number of nodes are 8. In fifth level, maximum number of nodes are 16. At 6 node, 32. बरोबर आहे ना? Yes or no? म्हणजे काय? At first level, number of nodes are 1. At second level, number of nodes are 2. In third level, maximum number of nodes are 4. In fourth level, suppose everyone have 2 child. 2, 2, 2, 2. How many nodes are there? 8. समझलं नाही समझलं? Let me know. Yes or no? समझलं नाही समझलं? अरे काहीतरी बोला.
Yes, sir.
See, when I
Yes,
ask
sir.
something to you, you should reply, because now I cannot go to that Meet Explorer window. You should immediately reply. नाही समजलं तर मला सांगा सर रिपीट करा म्हणून. What is the relationship? Number of nodes are here. Number of nodes at that level. What is the relationship? Anyone can tell me? Number of nodes at level L equal to 2 raised to L minus 1. 2 raised to in bracket L minus 1. म्हणजे काय? हे बघा. Level 1, 2 raised to 1 minus 1, 0. 2 raised to 0, 1. Level 2, 2 raised to 2 minus 1, 1, 2. Level 3, म्हणजे काय? 2 raised to 3 minus 1, 2, minus 1. Sorry, minus 1 येत नाही. Minus 1 येणार नाही. 2 raised to L minus 1, correct आहे. Here 2 raised to level 4, 2 raised to 3. समजलं नाही समजलं? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
लेवल. This denote the levels. याला कोणता कलर घेऊ? ब्लॅक घेऊन टाकू. So here this denote the levels 1, 2. What happened? ठीक है. First number denote the level, second level denote the number of nodes at that level. Clear है? Relationship? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So here, so what is the comparison? Number of comparison? Maximum 1, 2, 3. The number of comparisons in the nodes is maximum log n. Log base 2 n, log n. What is its base? Base 2. Yes or no? Here number of comparison are for this level 1 2 log. याचा log 4 किती होते? log 4 किती होते सांगा मला. log 2 equal to 1, log 4 equal to 2, log 8 equal to 3. कसं आहे ते? log 8 म्हणजे काय? meaning of log 8? log 8 म्हणजे काय? This is nothing but 8 म्हणजे log 2 raised to power 3. But what is the base of this log? Its base is 2. Now here this number, base number, and this number, if both are same, then it becomes 1. Already you are learning DM, yes or no? So here the height of the tree is log n and maximum number of comparison are log n. Clear है ना ये? Okay, I just do one more example. Complete. See this diagram. Again, what is 2 raised to 0, level 0, 2 raised to 0, 1, level 1, 2 raised to 1, 2, level 2, 2 raised to 2, 4, level 3, 2 raised to 3, 8, level 4, 2 raised to 4, 16. आता कळलं का? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the height of the tree? Log n. Maximum height of the tree log n. किती नोड आहे तिथं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 इथे 31. म्हणजे 2 raised to 5 equal to 32 आहे ना. किती हाईट आहे? 1 2 3 4. 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to n minus 1 is the height of the tree. बरोबर आहे ना ये? The maximum number of comparison are log n. So this is the time complexity to search a node in the binary tree. Log n. कोणताही node search करा, you will not get more than 4 comparison. 1 2 3 4. Any node you search in the tree, number of comparison are maximum 4. 1 2 3 4. You take any node. कोणताही node घ्या. 1 2 3 4. From root node to any leaf node, there is a length of 4 path. So what is the comparison? The search time for binary search is log n. I hope this is clear now. I have tried to explain in more better way. तरी नाही कळलं तर मला नंतर विचारा, लेक्चर झाल्यानंतर. ठीक आहे? Okay. So in this way we have created binary search tree. So here the binary search is considered to be efficient data structure in compare to arrays and linked list. Okay. What is drawback of array? Drawback of array is we cannot insert the element. It's very difficult to insert the element. It's very difficult to delete the element. What is drawback of a linked list? But benefit of array is I can access directly any element in the array. Directly A of, suppose there are 1000 numbers, A of 1000. I can access 500 number, A 500. I can access 71 record, A 71 directly. But I cannot do in the linked list. Can I do it? No. I have to take the first node, head node, and I have to search every node till I get that node. So what is drawback of linked list? Insertion and deletion is very easy in linked list, but accessing the element in linked list is very difficult. I have to travel the linked list serially, one by one, from head node to that node. Clear? Eh? So this is drawback of linked list. What is the benefit of array tree? Tree merges the benefits of both array and linked list. Means what? Insertion of a node in binary tree is very easy. Deletion is very easy, as well as to search the element is very easy. How? See this diagram. If you observe this diagram, okay, I just close the window. Let me open the window one more time. Binary. See this diagram. Now you can see I can search on any node directly in maximum 4 comparison. Agree? I can insert any node directly in the tree or delete any node directly in the tree. Clear? In how many comparison? Log n. So searching is very easy. Inserting a node is very easy. Deletion is very easy, as well as to search node is very easy. We can do all the operation in only log n time. Log n time. Maximum time is log n. So this is the benefit of tree. Tree integrate the benefit of array and linked list. Okay, clear है? Why should you use the tree? ठीक है, अपन पुढे जाऊ आता. So let us create binary search tree. If you are given this node in the examination, or you may ask this question in the campus interview also, you will give this node and they will ask you, okay, create binary search tree. How will you do it? See here. Take the first node, make it a head node. Take the second node. Now what you have to do, you know, for binary search tree, left child always greater than the root node, right child always less than the root node. So what you have to do, now here first node is 43. Okay. So here, this is the example. Okay. Okay. First node is 43. Now take the first node as a root node. Delete 43. Okay. Next node is 10. Compare 10 with 43. 10 is less than 43. Okay. Remove this from this list. Add here left child. Next 79. Compare 79 to the root node. Every time you have to compare the element to be inserted with the root child. Root node. If that element is less than the root node, go to the left side. Do the same procedure recursively. If the element is greater than the root node, go to the right child. Do the same procedure again. So here 79. Compare 79 to 43, it's larger than 43, go to the right node. Now is 79 deleted. Okay. Next is 90. Compare 90 with 43, it's greater than 43. You come here 79, compare 90 with 79, it's greater than 79. Now this 90 become right child of 79. Okay, delete it. Next is 12. Compare 12 with 43, it's less than 43. It come here, compare 12 with 10. Greater than 10, now it become right child of 10. Okay. So here delete this 12 and in this way here right child of 12. Okay. Next is 54. Compare 54 with 43, it's greater. Compare 79 with 54. Now 54 is less. Now it come in the left child of 79. Here you can see this 54 deleted. Next is 11. Compare 11 with 43, less. Compare with 10, greater, compare with 12, less. Now it will become left child of 11. 11 deleted, you can see. Clear? Eh? Next is 9. Compare 9 with 43, less, 10 with 43, less, it become left child of 10. That's it. Next is 50. Compare 50 with 43, greater, less, 50. So in this way, you are creating binary search tree. Understood? Write yes if you understood now. I check the message box. आतापर्यंत जेवढं समजलं शिकवलेलं समजलं असलं यस लिहा. क्लियर आहे? Okay, any question to anyone? Okay, now our next concept is how to create a tree if you are given the traversal. I expect you know how to create a traversal already. I have covered the YouTube video where I have explained the recursion. Okay, using the recursion you do the traversal. Next is you have to create tree if you are given the traversal. Okay, कसं करायचं हा प्रश्न आहे आता. कसं करायचं. So the program is given here for searching the element here. If the atom is left than the root node, go to right, left, or go to right. Okay, you can do the program in two ways. You can write the program in two ways using iterative way. This is called as iterative way. Iteration is here using for loop, while loop. And second way is using recursion. I can write the program in two way. First way is using while loop. Second way using recursion. Clear? Any program in the world can be done in two ways. Provided that program is doing the repetitive work. Means what? Example, we are doing the binary search. What we are doing always, we are making the partition of that number into two parts, left part and right part. We are comparing that element to be searched with the root node, element to be searched with that mid element. If that element is less than the mid, go to the left. If that element is greater than the mid, go to right. Again, do it recursively. Again, calculate it's that mid of that next part, either it is left or right. So here, if you observe, the nature of work is same. There are many problems in the computer world where we are doing the same thing again and again. For that, we are using recursion. We can write the program in two ways: recursion or iteration. Clear? So here, my concern to discuss here is how to create the tree. Remember one thing, for creating the tree, note down this thing. You are given either in order and pre-order traversal or in order and post-order traversal. Write down. To create the tree, you need traversal of either in order and pre-order or in order and post-order. If you are given pre-order and post-order traversal, you cannot create the tree. Are you getting it or not? काय सांगितलं तुम्हाला मी? To create the tree, you must have okay, what I do? Pre-order, left, vertex right. In order, it should be vertex left, right. In order, left, vertex right. Post order, left, right, vertex. Note down this thing in your notebook. We name it 1, 2, 3. Okay. What I am covering now, if you want to create the tree, you need a traversal. Either you are given pre-order and in order, you can create the tree, or you are given in order and post order, you can create the tree. But if you cannot create the tree, if you are given only pre-order and post order, clear? You must have in order traversal with either pre-order or post order. Let us take one example. Let us create one tree. Okay. आपण example घेऊया. हे काय आलं मध्येच? अरे यार काय झालं? Control Z. अंडू होत नाही का याच्यात? ठीक आहे, काय हरकत नाही. सो दिस द एक्झाम्पल नाव. In order. Okay, so this is given to us. Now we have to create this. How will I do it? So you know what is in order? In order means left vertex right. Pre-order means vertex left right. Clear आहे? एवढं सगळ्यांना माहिती? Okay. So meaning what? The first vertex is always first character, first atom in the pre-order is always the vertex. Okay, and afterwards left and right. एवढं काय आलं तुम्हाला? What you have to do? Now this is the vertex and these are the nodes that are on left and right side. But मला कसं कळणार लेफ्टला कोणता राईटला कोणता? You can see here left vertex right. क्लिअर आहे नाहीये? सांगा आता लेफ्टला काय राईटला काय कोण सांगता आता? So here vertex is A and this left vertex right, this A is here. So now from this I understood that vertex is initially in pre-order and here this vertex is at the center in order. From that I understood that left of A is DBE, right of A is FC. Clear है? Left of A is DBE, right of A is FC. एवढं काय आलं? Okay, fine. Next, now DBE. आता DBE पैकी वर्टेक्स कसं कोणता आहे? लेफ्ट कोणता राईट कोणता आहे? So here BDE, DBE. Again here, what I do? I copy paste. Now here, for this DBE, you have to search this DBE in pre-order, BDE. Now here, B is the vertex. Okay, here B is the vertex. Green, black green. Here B is the vertex. ठीक है? Black ने हाँ गया, ठीक है. B is the vertex. Again search B here. DBE here. This B appears here. So left of B is D, right of B is E. In the same way, here FC. So check FC in down below, CF. So C is the vertex. So you can see the same concept here. I pause the lecture for here 30 seconds. Understood? Let me know, yes or no. So in this way you are creating a tree. समझलं? Yes, नाही समझलं? No. Write down in the chat box. I check your chat box now. समझलं का आत्ताच? रिपीट करायचं. रिपीट क्या था? रिपीट लिया, आर लिया, आगे नाही रिपीट. जर समजलं नसेल तर सगळ्यात चांगलं. I will repeat one more time. नाही तर यस तरी लिहा, काहीतरी लिहा, यस किंवा आर लिहा, काहीच लिहू नका, असं करू नका. You give me the direction in the classroom. You have to assign the directions. सर्वांना समजलं? Good. I'm happy. I'm happy to see your active participation. ठीक आहे. किती 10 मिनिटं आहेत ना? ओके फाईन. नाऊ 10 मिनिटांमध्ये मी तुम्हाला एक आता हे करूया. जस्ट let me okay. Now I will not teach technically, I will teach you one meditation in next 5 minutes. Are you interested to learn the meditation? Yes. If you do the meditation, trust me, your grasping will be improved very much. I'm doing this meditation from last 20 years and I have got lots of benefits. I used to get second class in my engineering. All 3 years I got second class, but in BTech I got distinction. So are you interested to learn the meditation? It will take only 5 minutes online. Yes or no? If you are interested, then I will teach you, otherwise we will stop the lecture. Are you interested?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can type in message box, yes. Okay, thank you, Divyani, thank you. So, what you have to do, I just show you one diagram. See, in our body, see, if I ask you one simple question, now today you are in second year, okay? Then after 2 years, you become pass out. And after 5 years or 5 years and 10 years, you found that there are 10% students who are very, very successful. Everybody get the job. Everybody is earning the money. But if you found 5%, 10% students are extra, means they are very, very good in package, in lifestyle, in achievement. What happened? We are getting same environment, same learning, same books we are reading, in the same friendship circle we have been. But what happened with the students? So that they become very prosperous. And success does not mean that you earn lots of money. One more thing I tell you. असं नाही की पैसाच आहे म्हणून सक्सेसफुल आहे, असं काही नसतं. Money is one part, but you should have a good health, you should have good physical health, you should have good mental health, you should be peaceful to yourself, you should be happy, you should not be reactive to every moment, you should not think too much in of future, you should not recall the past memory and become sad. So these are all part of our development also. We must come out of all these features. Well, we must be peaceful, we must have patience. Even if somebody around us is not teasing us, is shouting on us, then we should be calm, we should be cool. Are you getting my point or not? Plus now I am teaching in the lecture. Okay, there are around 25 students. It may happen that there are some students, maybe 10%, 20% who are not understanding because they want to learn, but they cannot concentrate. They are not understanding the concept. But other students are immediately grasping the concept. So when we meditate, trust in my words, our focus get improved, our concentration get improved, our grasping get improves. Whatever we are doing, we do it with focus, with 100% dedication, devotion, determination. We become self-disciplined. We become self-learning. Our attitude becomes positive. Our attitude becomes optimistic, and gradually we give up the anger. We have more patience develop. So these are all qualities that get boosted in ourselves if you are consistent with the meditation. So how to do it? It's very simple. I just open one website and I will follow simple step. It will take only 2 minutes. Okay, it will take only 2 minutes to learn the meditation, and we'll close the eye for next 3 minutes, and afterward we'll stop here. Okay, so what is there? The website name is sahajyogafeedback.org. SAHAJ Sahajyoga Feedbacks. Okay, this is a website, sahajyogafeedback.org. Okay. This meditation can be done by anybody in the world. It does not deal with any religion. Okay. In every religion, we trust some power. We name it Ishwar, Allah, Vaheguru, God, Jesus, or Mahavira, Gautam Buddha power, Jesus Christ power. So that power exists in every human being. You can see here, even if you have seen the Shaktiman serial, in Shaktiman serial, you have seen this subtle system. So whatever are our problems, physical problems, mental problems, psychosomatic problems, psychological problems, physical and some problems, so all the problems root cause are imbalance in these 7 plexus and 3 channels. Okay, so there are 7 plexus in the body, and these are 3 channel. Left sympathetic nervous system, we call this left channel as left sympathetic nervous system, right channel as right sympathetic nervous system, and here central nervous system. And these are called as plexus. It's called a cardiac plex. Okay, optic chiasma, cardiac plexus is there for heart. Okay, aortic plex, it's called a solar plexus. If you are dealing with medical in 11, 12, then these are called a plexus in the body. What happened in this meditation? This dormant energy get awakened. And how will we feel? How will we understand that energy realize? Energy is awakened. See, when the darkness is there, when we switch on the light, immediately darkness appears and we can see everything in the light very clearly. In the same way, after doing this meditation in next 5 minutes, you will feel some vibrations are flowing through your both palm. You will feel the vibrations, energy flowing through your, on top of your head. You will feel the cool breeze. And you will become thoughtless for some moment, some seconds. Means what? Now I'm telling the meditation to you, but again you have some thoughts in your mind. Thoughts are either of future or of the past. उद्या काय होईल, उद्या एक्झाम आहे, ह्यानं असं म्हणलं, त्यानं तसं बोललं. We are always thinking, our mind is always continuously busy either in the past or in the future. We never enjoy the present tense. If you want to become successful in your life, we must be focused. And to get the focus, we have to be in the present tense. It never happens in our life that we are thinking of the past or future and we are focused. It never happens. So when you do the meditation, the first thing that will happen in your life, you become focused. You will come in present tense. वर्तमान काळामध्ये तुम्ही येचाल. Okay? Afterwards, tremendous transformation will happen in yourself if you are consistent with the meditation only for 2 weeks. Only for 2 weeks. Why I'm so much confident? I just show you the website. I show you some of the feedbacks here of the students who are doing the meditation, and these are the steps. Okay, and download steps. Okay. Why I'm so confident? I just show you some of the feedbacks here. Feedbacks. Okay, you can see at the feedback. Dr. Nigam, Delhi, I was suffering. Okay, this meditation is not only useful for the study, it can be useful for anybody in the world. Your parents can also do the meditation. See the feedback, Dr. Nigam here from Delhi. I was suffering from paralysis from 11 months. I got recovered in only 1 to 4 weeks. My patients suffering from migraine are recovered in 2 weeks only by surgery only. Okay. Second feedback, my smoking and drinking habits quit. I could feel peace and happiness. Here, Dr. Chitra Beji, she's a judge. You know the Telgi scam. Okay, stamp scam was there before some years. Dr. Chitra Bedi was involved and she was judged in that case. So she has given the feedback. My HB is improved from 5 to 12 in one week only. I can manage stress in more better way. Enjoying my work with happiness. I can manage family and job both in nice way. Okay. She is a student from our college, Sebia Aman. He's from the school student. पढ़ाई करने समय नींद आती थी. अभी नींद नहीं आ रही है, गुस्सा कम हो चुका है और मेरा my percentage improved from 80% to 88%. Okay, she could feel sleepiness during the classroom and she was very, very angry, but now these problems are improved. Amit Dattatray, 6th standard. मेरी पढ़ाई में ध्यान लग रहा है, क्रोध और तद्रा से समाप्त हो चुकी है, मुझे अध्यापक की शिक्षा मिल रही है, मैं जो अध्ययन कर रहा हूँ वो याद रह रहा है. मतलब means what? I could concentrate in my studies. My lethargy and angriness is completely stopped. And whatever a teacher is teaching, I'm learning, and I could remember my learning. Okay, so these are the different feedbacks. If you want to see all the feedbacks, you just go to this link. See, this link is there. Okay, feedback. You can download this feedback. Okay, student feedback 1, student feedback 2. You will get different zip file. You can say zip file. And this zip file contains all the feedback of the students. If you are really want to improve the studies, not only the study, if you want to make your life more happy, beautiful, peaceful, in more better way, then please do the meditation. So let us learn how to do the meditation. कैसा करना है? ये मेडिटेशन कैसा करना है? लेट अस डू 3 स्टेप्स ओनली. सिट कंफर्टेबली इन चेयर और ऑन द ग्राउंड. फर्स्ट स्टेप. अभी मैं चेयर पे बैठा हूँ, आप चेयर पे बैठो या फिर ग्राउंड में नीचे बैठो. बेटर रहेगा अगर आप ग्राउंड पे बैठेंगे तो, क्योंकि बेटर यू सिट ऑन द ग्राउंड. दोनों हाथों का ऐसा गोद में रखना है. ओके, गोद में रखना है. रेस्ट योर पाम इन लैप. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू से टेक ओनली 3 स्टेप्स. क्या करना है? फर्स्ट स्टेप, you have to put your right hand on your heart and say one prayer to the God. God means what? These are different forms of the God. Ishwar, Allah, Vaheguru, God. Okay, say to that invisible power, oh God, please come in my heart. Okay, see, our heart is called as self-autonomous nervous system. We daily charge our mobile. Okay, if I do not charge within 2 days, that mobile get discharged. But who charge our heart? Who control our heart? When we die, we say, Manus gela. Kuda gela? When we die, our heart gets stopped. So that power resides in the body in terms of heart. Oh God, please come in my heart. First step. Let's put the same right hand on our forehead. Press it hard. सीधे हाथ को हृदय से उठाकर कपाल पर रखना है, प्रेस करना है. उससे पहले क्या करना है? राइट हैंड हृदय पर रखना है. हे परमात्मा, आप हमारे हृदय में आओ. कुछ देर रुकना है, 30 सेकंड. दूसरे हाथ को कपाल पर रखना है, प्रेस करना है. ओ गॉड, आई हैव फॉरगिवन एवरीवन, माई सेल्फ, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी इफ आई हैव कमिटेड एनी मिस्टेक्स. हे परमात्मा, मैंने सभी को क्षमा किया है, खुद को भी. हमसे कुछ भूल हो गई हो, आप मुझे क्षमा करें. ऐसा कहना है मन में. लास्ट स्टेप, सीधा स्टेप थर्ड. पुट राइट हैंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ योर हेड. ओपन योर राइट palm, stretch your fingers, rotate the scalp in clockwise direction. Say one prayer, oh God, please awaken the kundalini power within me, give me my self realization. क्या कहना है? परमात्मा, हमारे अंदर की कुंडलिनी शक्ति को जागृत करो, हमें योग आत्म साक्षात्कार प्रदान करो. यहाँ पे मैंने पूरा लिखा है. You can see these steps are written in English, Hindi, Marathi. Slowly move your right hand above our head 2 to 4 inch. Move the right hand in this way. अपने सीधे हाथ को तालू के ऊपर आगे पीछे ऊपर नीचे करना है. फिर क्या करना है? दोनों हाथों को गोद में रखना है. 2 मिनट शांत बैठना है, रिलैक्स. और आंख बंद करके क्या करना है? कुछ भी नहीं करना है, शांति से बैठना है. विचार आएंगे तो क्या करना है? क्षमा क्षमा कहना है. क्या करना है? अगर मन में कोई भी विचार आता है, अभी 3 बज गए, अभी वैद्य सर का लेक्चर चालू होगा, क्षमा 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 क्षमा. फिर विचार आएगा, मुझे शाम को पढ़ाई करना है, क्षमा 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 क्षमा. इतना ही करना है. आंख बंद करके यहाँ पे ध्यान नहीं देना है, यहाँ पे नहीं देना है. शांति से आंख बंद करके बैठना है. So what you have to do afterwards? Put your both hands, rest in your palm, close your eyes. Without concentrating anywhere in the body, just be relaxed. If you get any thoughts during this process, say, I forgive, I forgive. Immediately your thought gets stopped, immediately. Again, you may get the thoughts after 10 seconds, 20 seconds, say, I forgive. So in this way, you have to sit for 3 minutes. Okay, should we do it? Now let us close our eyes. Keep your both hand in your lap, palm facing upward. Relax. अभी हम ध्यान करेंगे. आंख बंद करना है, दोनों हाथों को गोद में रखकर शांति से बैठना है. हृदय से परमात्मा से प्रार्थना कीजिए. आप जिस परमात्मा को, भगवान को, ईश्वर को, जो भी शक्ति को मानते हैं, उस शक्ति से प्रार्थना करें, हे प्रभु, मुझे आनंद शांति प्रदान करें. Pray to that invisible, omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent power. Oh God, let me feel the peace, happiness in myself. डोळे बंद करून शांत प्रार्थना करायची. हे परमेश्वरा, आमची कुंडलिनी शक्ती जागृत करा, आम्हाला शांती प्रदान करा. Relax. It will take not more than 5 minutes. Be relaxed. Do not open your eyes. 5 मिनट के ऊपर हम बैठने नहीं वाले. शांति से बैठिए आंख बंद करके. This moment will change your life. Trust in my words. Right hand on our heart, bow down our head, pray to the divine power. Oh God, please come in my heart. अपने सीधे हाथ को, जिस हाथ से हम खाना खाते हैं, राइट हैंड को हृदय पर रखकर प्रार्थना कीजिए, हे परमात्मा, आप हमारे हृदय में आइए. उजवा हात हृदयावर, डोळे बंद, प्रार्थना करा. डावा हात तसाच मांडीवर असेल. हे परमेश्वरा, आपण माझ्या हृदयात या. Now put our right hand on our forehead, bow down our head, press it hard. अपने सीधे हाथ को हृदय से उठाकर कपाल पर रखना है, प्रेस करना है, दबाना है, जैसा सरदर्द होने के बाद दबाते हैं. प्रार्थना करें, हे परमात्मा, मैंने सभी को क्षमा किया है, स्वयं को भी. हमसे कुछ भूल हो गई हो, गलतियां हो गई हो, आप मुझे क्षमा करें. Oh God, I have forgiven everyone and myself. Please forgive me if I have committed any mistakes knowingly or unknowingly. आपला उजवा हात हृदयावर उचलून कपाळ आडवा ठेवून कपाळ गच्च दाबून प्रार्थना करा. हे परमेश्वरा, मी सर्वांना क्षमा करीत आहे. स्वतःला पण माझं चुकलं असेल, मला क्षमा करा. क्षमा क्षमा. Put our right hand on top of our head, fully open our right palm, stretch our fingers, rotate the scalp in clockwise direction. Pray to the divine. अपने सीधे हाथ को कपाल से उठाकर तालू पर रखकर उंगलियों को तानना है, तलवे से तालू को दबाकर जैसा घड़ी का कांटा गोल गोल घूमता है, उसी तरीके से उसी दिशा में तलवे से तालू को दबाकर प्रार्थना करें. हे परमात्मा, मुझे मन शांति, आनंद प्रदान करें. मेरे अंदर की कुंडलनी शक्ति को जागरूक करें. Oh God, let me feel the peace and happiness. Please awaken the Kundalini power within me. Give me my self-realization. उजवा हात कपाळ उचलून टाळूवर ठेवा, पाची बोट मोकळी. उजव्या हाताच्या तळ हाताने टाळलं गच्च दाबून गोलाकार फिरून प्रार्थना करा. हे परमेश्वरा, माझी कुंडलिनी शक्ती जागृत करा. मला योग आत्मसाक्षात्कार प्रदान करा. मला आनंद शांती प्रदान करा. Slowly move our right hand above our head 2 to 4 inch in this way. And see what do you feel now. Cool or hot sensations, vibrations you are feeling in your right palm. अपने सीधे हाथ को तालू के ऊपर 2 इंच ऊपर लेकर जाना है. हाथों को आगे पीछे ऊपर लेके ऊपर नीचे लेना है. देखिए क्या महसूस होता है. आपला उजवा हात टाळूपासून 2 इंच वर, हात पुढे मागे वर खाली. बघा काय जाणवते. उजवा हात मांडीवर ठेवा, डावा हात 2 इंच वर, हात पुढे मागे वर खाली. अपने सीधे हाथ को गोद में रखना है, सीधा रखना है. उल्टा हाथ लेफ्ट हैंड तालू के ऊपर 2 इंच. Put our right hand in your lap, palm facing upward. Put your left hand above our head 2 to 4 inch. You are feeling the same vibration, sensations in your left palm also that you have felt in your right palm. देखो आपको जैसा राइट हैंड में महसूस हुआ था, वैसा आपको लेफ्ट हैंड में महसूस हो रहा है. आंख बंद, दोनों हाथों को गोद में रखकर आंख बंद करके शांति से 2 मिनट बैठेंगे. रिलैक्स. Both hand in our lap, palm facing upward. Close our eyes and be relaxed. For next 2 minutes, we will not focus, concentrate on anywhere. Just be relaxed. Effortless meditation. अगले 2 मिनट के लिए कुछ भी नहीं करना है, शांति से बैठना है. कोई भी विचार मन में आता है, कहना है 4 से 6 बार क्षमा 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 क्षमा. If we get any thoughts, say I forgive 4 to 6 times. Jai Shri Mataji. Let us go in meditation. I forgive. Kshama, kshama. See, how do we feel? We are feeling thoughtlessness. We are feeling some cool or hot sensations, vibrations in our both palm. We are enjoying the silence, peace for some second in meditation. बघा, लक्ष द्या. काय जाणवते? दोन्ही हातावर थंड गरम काही जाणवतं का? डोके शांत वाटते, रिलॅक्स वाटते, थकवा कमी झालाय, मन शांत प्रसन्न वाटते का? हमें अंदर से शांति महसूस हो रही है. दोनों हाथों पर, तालू पर कुछ ठंडा या गर्म. दोनों हाथों को जोड़ना है. आपने जिस परमात्मा से प्रार्थना की उससे धन्यवाद कहिए. ये परमात्मा, आपने हमारी कुंडलिनी शक्ति जागृत की, हमें आत्म साक्षात्कार दिया, हम आपके आभारी है. हमें सुबुद्धि प्रदान करें. सुबह शाम सहयोग का ध्यान करवा के जीवन को आनंदी बनाए, शांतिमय बनाए. Oh God, please give us the wisdom so that we meditate 2 times in a day and make our life more beautiful, peaceful, happy. आँख खोलना है और देखो मेरी तरफ, हाथों को दूर और नजदीक लेके आना है. धीरे धीरे, बहुत धीरे धीरे करना है और अंतर बढ़ाना है. Please close your eyes and in this way move your right hand, both hand in this way. Increase the distance every time. Do it very slowly and see what do you feel now. You are feeling an attraction and repulsion in your both palm. हमारे दोनों हाथों में, तालू पर कुछ ठंडक महसूस हो रही है. देखिए क्या महसूस हो रहा है. दोनों हाथों को आकाश की ओर करना है, ऊपर देखना है. पूछिए, हे परमात्मा, यही आपकी शक्ति है क्या? यही आपका निराकार स्वरूप है क्या? यही ईश्वर, अल्लाह, वाहेगुरु, गॉड की शक्ति है क्या? Oh God, is this the invisible power of Ishwar, Allah, Vaheguru, God, Mahavira, Gautam Buddha, Jesus Christ? See, your vibrations are improved. आपके दोनों हाथों से आकाश में वाइब्रेशंस बढ़ गए हैं. रिलैक्स. देखिए कैसा महसूस हो रहा है. लास्ट 2 मिनट्स ओनली. वे आखिर के 2 मिनट लूंगा. कितने लोगों को अच्छा लगा? वाइब्रेशंस महसूस हुए, चुंबक महसूस हुआ? यस, वी फेल्ट. साइलेंस लिखना है. यस, वी फेल्ट वाइब्रेशंस. टेक्स्ट मोड. किती जण चांगलं वाटलं? यस लिहा. सर आम्हाला चांगलं वाटलं, शांत वाटलं. राईट डाऊन यस. मॅग्नेट जाणवलं? मॅग्नेट हातामध्ये वाइब्रेशंस. अभी क्या करना है? देखो, इसको कंटिन्यू करने के लिए सिर्फ 2 टाइम ध्यान करना है. जब भी आप पढ़ाई करते हैं, पढ़ाई करने से पहले क्या करना है? पढ़ाई करने से पहले सिर्फ ये स्टेप्स करना है. पढ़ाई करना है 3 स्टेप. हे परमात्मा, हृदय में आइए, कुछ देर रुकना है. क्षमा कर रहा हूं, 30 सेकंड रुकना है. शक्ति जागृत कीजिए. 5 मिनट शांति से बैठिए. उसके बाद प्रार्थना कीजिए, हे परमात्मा, मुझसे पढ़ाई करवा लीजिए. देखो, करके देखो क्या होता है. 15 दिन ऐसा करके फिर पढ़ाई करना है. ऐसा दोनों हाथ खोल के लिखना है, फिर पढ़ना है. कुछ विचार आते हैं तो क्या करना है? क्षमा 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 क्षमा. बस इतना ही करना है. 15 दिन करके देखो, एग्जाम नजदीक आ रही है, बहुत फायदा होगा. पढ़ाई क्यों नहीं होती? क्योंकि पढ़ाई करने के टाइम विचार आते हैं. विचार आते ही हम डाइवर्ट हो जाते हैं. फिर हम वही सोचते हैं. मोबाइल देखेंगे, व्हाट्सएप देखेंगे, फेसबुक देखेंगे, इसने क्या पोस्ट किया, इसने लाइक किया, गेम खेलो क्या, पबजी खेलो क्या, ये नहीं आएंगे विचार. क्या करना है? क्षमा. इतना ही करो. सुबह 5 मिनट, 10 सुबह 5-10 मिनट, शाम को 5 मिनट. हाँ, ये मेडिटेशन घर वालों को सिखाओ. घर वालों के हेल्थ अच्छा होगा. और शाम को हो सके तो ये करो, फुट सोकिंग. शाम को सोने के समय एक बकेट लेना है, इतना पानी लेना है, साल्ट लेना है, बड़ा, छोटा भी ले सकते हैं, बड़ा सस्ता है. और इतना साल्ट डालना है पानी में. शांति से बैठना है, आंख बंद करके 3 स्टेप करना है. 10 मिनट पूरा एक्सेसिव थॉट्स निकल जाएंगे, गर्मी निकल जाएंगी, कोई भी फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम वो निकल जाएगा. फिर वो पानी को, अच्छे पानी से हमारे पैरों को बकेट में ही धोना है. पानी से बकेट में धोना है वो पैरों को. वो पानी को टॉयलेट में ही फेंकना है. और अच्छे को पानी को, बकेट को अच्छे से धोकर रखना है. क्लियर है? इसको बोलते फुट सोकिंग. ये करके देखो, पूरा जीवन बदल जाएगा. आई एम डूइंग दिस फ्रॉम लास्ट 20 years. आई गॉट लॉट्स ऑफ बेनिफिट्स. ठीक है. और ये जो वेबसाइट है, इसमें मैंने आपको बताया, ये वेबसाइट में आपको अभी भेजता हूँ, ग्रुप में भेजता हूँ. ठीक है. इस वेबसाइट में आप, ये पॉम्पलेट है, इसको आप डाउनलोड करो. ठीक है, डाउनलोड स्टेप्स नाउ, ये है वो स्टेप्स, ठीक है। जस्ट आई मैसेज दी स्टेप्स टू यू पीपल, डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं स्टेप्स को, ठीक है। और ये जो चालू किया मेडिटेशन, इनका नाम श्री माता जी निर्मला देवी है। श्री माता जी ने ये कार्य 1970 में किया था। आज पूरा सहयोग विनामूल्य है, साइंटिफिक है, 180 कंट्रीज में है, डॉक्टर्स, इंजीनियर्स, साइंटिस्ट, सब कुछ सहयोग में, सभी लोग अवेलेबल है, सभी लोग, यू कैन सी दिस, ठीक है। बहुत अच्छा है। अगर आपको कुछ और चाहिए इन्फॉर्मेशन तो यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट मी पर्सनली। और ये कुछ ये है ऑनलाइन फीडबैक्स है जिसको आप जरूर देखें। एनीबडी एनी क्वेश्चंस यू कैन आस्क मी। किसी कुछ पूछना है रिलेटेड दिस मेडिटेशन यू कैन आस्क मी। नो क्वेश्चन? अगर आपको कुछ भी पूछना है तो यू आर फ्री टू आस्क मी ऑन माई, यू कैन कॉल मी ऑन माई नंबर, यू कैन व्हाट्सएप मी, आई विल कॉल यू बैक। ठीक है, थांबायचं आपण? ओके, लेट अस स्टॉप हियर, थँक यू व्हेरी मच। थँक यू।